Smiling is fun with healthy teeth and gums. Natural methods for teeth whitening are gaining immense popularity. Most of the people prefer to avoid the potential side effects of chemical employed for teeth whitening. For those who are chemically conscious, here are 3 most fun and safe teeth whitening alternatives using common fruits to achieve white and bright teeth at home, leaving clean and fresh feeling in the mouth. Hi, I'm Professor Ninad Moon and welcome to my channel My Teeth and Gums. I am a periodontist and a cosmetic dentist, operating my private dental practice in Nagpur since 2001, establishing myself as a premier expert in the field of dentistry. And here are 3 fun and fruity ways to whiten teeth naturally, and we are starting it right now. Method 1. Orange peel rub teeth whitening procedure. Peel the orange and place the skin onto a paper towel to allow shade drying. Once dried, place them in a small Tupperware container and chill them in a refrigerator. While brushing the teeth, take one peel and rub the white inside portion against the surface of the teeth very gently. Next, brush the teeth normally. Do this once a week to achieve bright, white, shining teeth. Method 2. Lemon juice teeth whitening. Take a small glass and pour 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into it. Add a pinch of baking soda and stir to make a paste. With the forefinger, rub gently over the teeth and let the lemon paste sit over the teeth for a few minutes. Gently gargle with the water and brush teeth normally. Teeth feel more squeaky, clean and will look brighter. Method 3. The strawberry smash teeth whitening procedure. This is fun one. Take 2 strawberries, remove their calyx along with the stem and add to a cup. With a spoon, mash the strawberry into a pulp. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix well. Take the mixture and rub over the teeth surface ever so gently to polish them. Leave on for a few minutes and then rinse the mouth with the water. Now flaunt dazzling and bright smile. Hopefully this video has enlightened you to achieve dazzling shiny white teeth. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and comment. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive an instant notification whenever I release a new video. You can also suggest your queries in a comment section so that I will come up with an explanatory video exclusively for you. Meanwhile, stay aware, informed, educated and motivated about current trends and future perspective in dentistry.